Okay, so for today what we're going to do is we are going to be using protons to identify atoms. So by the end of today, you should be able to look at any atom and be able to figure out what atom you're looking at, all right? And so I'm going to show you how to do that. And so basically what you're going to do is you're going to count the number of protons. So it's super easy, it's just counting. So for example here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this atom has 6 protons. When I go to the periodic table, so you are going to be using a periodic table, you're going to look for atomic number 6. So for example here, this is atomic number 6. 6 protons, atomic number 6. So that means this is a carbon atom. So this atom right here is a carbon atom. In your notes, make sure you write exactly what I'm writing. Okay? So this atom is carbon. So you should write this down, exactly what I have. Everyone's notes should look like mine. If you need to pause the video, you can pause the video now. Now, how do we know? How do we know that this is a carbon atom? Well, I know this because I counted the number of protons and matched it to the atomic number. So here you're just talking about how did you figure it out? Okay, it's really easy. You count the number of protons and then you match it to the atomic number. Okay, so we'll do some examples together. All right, so here you have an atom that has 16 protons. Okay, so we need to figure out what atom is this? What am I looking at? So you're going to go to your periodic table and you're going to look for atomic number 16. If you can't see, you can zoom in, and there's several ways to do it. One way we learned that very first week, if you did your work the first week, we learned you can hit the zoom button here and it'll give you a magnifying glass. And so I can see right here, here's atomic number 16. Okay, and that's sulfur. Sulfur. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the magnifying glass, hit fit. Okay, and so when I go back to this page, make sure you click your arrow right here next to the magnifying glass, and that's going to allow you to type. So this atom is, we said it was sulfur. So this is a sulfur atom. How did I know that? Again, count the number of protons. Next example. So first thing is, okay, I'm looking for the identity. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this atom has 11 protons. So I'm going to go to my periodic table and I'm going to look for atomic number 11. So remember, atomic number 11, so that number is on the top. And this is a sodium atom. So now I know that this atom is sodium. Okay. And then here, I have 9 protons. 9 protons. So I need to figure out what atom I'm looking at. So I'm going to go back to my periodic table. I'm going to look for 9. So there it is. 9. That's fluorine. So that atom is a fluorine atom. Okay. So your notes should look like mine. So page 29, you should have this written down. And then on practice, this is our practice page, you should have this written down. Okay, so we have learned how to use protons to identify an atom. Okay, so for your next assignment, you're going to be getting the same practice. You're going to be doing the same thing. You're going to be using protons to identify atoms. If you have any questions, you can rewatch the video, which I suggest you do. And if you still have questions after rewatching the video, contact me. Thanks, guys.